design school, they really encourage us to make things practically. And so that's, we have access to both, software, but also to machine. My name is Oscar Oweson, and I study product design and technology here at Loughborough University. The problem I'm trying to solve is that products are designed for 4 to 6 years and then they're disposed of. And I want to design for repair so that they can last 20, 50, maybe 100 years. For this project, I opted to take a product that everybody's interacted with and really take it back to the basics and redesign it for repair rather than disposability. So I chose to take the iron, which is a very simple device where, one part of it inside might break and then you have to throw away the whole thing. Whereas if you design it for repairability, then you can replace that part and keep it going for forever. To me, the real benefit of using Fusion was that I could go from the design workspace to the CAM workspace and go back and forth and iterate in between them, and they would update in sync without having to, change software or do anything like that. This means I can get G-code out for my CNC, but also produce Gerber files for my manufacturer for the PCBs. Fusion 360 has helped me through, the whole process from the design to the manufacture and connect those pieces. Everything from manufacturing to the electronics to, analysis and things like that. Really, it has the whole breadth of the tool set I've needed.